Now, after you've gotten all of your panels in, it's important to kind of understand the overall flow of your comic strip from panel to panel. In this case, we have 4. Your first panel is going to introduce the setting, the character, the basic situation he's in. In this case, our character standing here waving at a video camera. The next panel is going to basically further the introduction into a situation where you're going to start building up humor potential, because you want to get your audience to laugh, at least most of the time you do in comic strips. So you're going to have some basic action going on in your comic strip, which is going to largely build off of the last panel. In the third panel, there's going to be, I usually like to have a little more action. In this case, some papers are flying up in the air. They're going all around. There's some motion going on. There's an element of triumph. Even without words in here, you kind of already are getting the idea that, this character's very happy. Maybe he's over-optimistic even. Then in the final panel, usually you have your punchline, your humorous situation. Everything kind of comes to a conclusion or resolution. In this case, our character's disappointed. His conceptions were very wrong. So, which is of course funny because he came off as so cocky in the previous frames. So this is the basic way and the kind of the basic flow of your comic strips. You should plan these all out in advance. This should not be a situation where you're just taking it on the fly and drawing panel by panel. No, keep all of your panels in mind and have an overarching motion and fluid feel to your comic strips.